I'll be back. And I am back.
So what's up, guys? It's been a while, couple months since I touched this car, and right now I'm gonna give you a quick update on what I did so far on it. So front fenders they still need work. I just added some body filler a couple months ago, so it's been there since. But yesterday, I hope I have footage of it, but I basically almost finished the rear fenders, and they actually look really good. They were really warped, so it needed a lot of work. There's some like pinholes and scratches and stuff that I need to fill yet, but I finished all my plates all the way around, and this panel is really good, almost done. So is this panel. Had to add a bunch here. It's all smooth all the way around, and nice finish right here. And it's a little bit of work right here, and same thing, it's done underneath, done right here. So pretty much the rears are getting there. We'll probably paint soon. So right now I'm gonna continue working on the rear a little bit and finish up the fronts. I pulled it out of the garage because it's a mess right now, so I'm gonna spend some time cleaning it. Alright guys, so the rear is officially done. I promise. No more body filling, no more sanding. It's all nice and smooth all the way around. It's a really nice transition. So is on this side. This is really nice all the way around. Very nice transition into the body. So the rear is officially done. And I'm gonna have to go over with like 180 grit, and then I can prime it, so there's less rough scratches in the body. And now I have to do a little bit of the front. The front is basically pretty close, so there's not gonna be much sanding, but it's getting late, super dark outside. I'm gonna finish for today. Probably continue tomorrow. I'm not gonna end the video yet, but I want to show you guys I got a diffuser for the rear. It has a carbon fiber style, CSL style diffuser itself. With I'm gonna paint the black to match the rest of the car, but basically it goes one second. But basically it's gonna look like this. Ready? Upside down. Anyway, let's do the fronts now, well, which is tomorrow. Alright, next day. It's already getting dark, but anyway. This camera died, I forgot to charge it, so this is gonna be probably no time lapse of the front, but I'm gonna finish this side, I'll update you. I'm gonna finish the other side, I'll update you again. And after those sides are finished, it's gonna be time to paint the car. But I just wanna show you quick how close it's already is. I just need to finish like little marks like that and underneath and stuff, and a little bit right here, but all around it already feels really good. It's getting pretty close. The rears are basically done. I'm super happy with the rears, like I already said like 5 seconds ago. Gotta finish it a little bit right here yet, and car will be done, and then I'll have to work on the bumpers and side skirts. But I could actually probably prime it, take it to the paint room and prime it. I just want to do it all at once, and I'll see what exactly I will do. I will be changing the color of the car, so I think I'm probably gonna prime it till this line, and everything else will just get scuffed and painted over top. So yeah, let's do the front. Alright guys, so quick update. I pulled the fenders off because it was really hard to sand here and not to scratch the door, and I don't want to scratch it with 80 grit, so I took them off. I'm gonna finish them on the ground right here, some work right here. And also the other reason I took them off, because I need to cut this this thing out, because when I turn my wheel it just hits it. And if I pop the hood, I took the filter out so there's more room to cut it off, and windshield washer reservoir, I took it out, so again I can cut it out. So right now, quick time lapse of me cutting it and sanding the fenders. Alright guys, so as you saw, I cut these pieces out and had to modify wire a little bit. I had to make it longer for the coolant temps to read. Non-essentials, as I just zip tied here for now, and put the ground block on the post right there and on the post right there. I will be probably painting the engine bay, so I'm gonna clean it up later. I just wanna see how the wheels fit now. So non-essentials like fog lights and crap, I zip tied over there, and now I have way more room. So on this side, same thing. I cleaned the paint off obviously and bolted down. Non-essentials right here, headlights still right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean it up a little bit later. I left the bolt right here for the liner. AC I need to extend, but I'm gonna do it later, and I have to run all the way around to here. So right now I'm gonna put the wheels back on quick and see how everything fits. Probably need to weld some kind of either bracket, make a bracket from there going to the fender, so it's nice and firm. And then I'm gonna start sanding the front fenders and see how they fit. Alright guys, so both fenders are done. That one's done. This one's done too. Super smooth. I went over with 180 grit over top of it. So are these fenders. Super happy with the car so far. So now next step would be priming. I'm trying to prime quarter panels from the body line where I finished down. same as fenders. Need to prime whole fenders. So that's gonna be a next video. Next video is gonna be paint prep and actually priming fenders and rear quarter panel, and probably I'm gonna prep the hood too because I want a primary hood. But yeah, this is gonna be it for today. It's kind of short video. I mean, it's took me like 3 days, but honestly I didn't record a lot. I just skipped through because it's the same thing. You just put bond on, sand it, put more, sand it. So kind of boring, but I'm glad I'm at this point right now. Car is fully done. Front fenders are done. Gonna paint it next video, and also work on side skirts and bumpers. But it's gonna be next. I just wanna prime the fender. Start to rain now, but super smooth. Very happy with it. Took my time, and honestly I'm glad I did. Just because it's just gonna look very good. Couple shots for you. But yeah, now I'm gonna pull the car in the garage, edit this video, and post it for you guys. Not much, but hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.